Was the search successful?
Yes.
So you found your lucky boots?
My boots? No, I didn't find them.
Oh, so you won't be playing then?
Actually, I am. I wear my new boots.
Even though they're not lucky?
I'll make them lucky.
That's my girl.
I hail from County Cork, the name is Anne Bonny. Don't mess with me, don't even look at me funny. I was born in Kinsale, and as much as I admire it, I had to leave town and become a fierce pirate. I ran away to London with my dad, you see, but he dressed me as a boy and he called me Andy. Hit the high seas of the Caribbean, robbing all the ships that we could see, and the only problem was I couldn't be Anne. So I got kitted out as a fully fledged man. Got a new crew and showed them the ropes. Between you and me, they're a total bunch of dopes. Stole a big ship, it was full of booty. Coins, cash or jewels, I wasn't being snooty. Being a pirate, wasn't plain sailing. We finally got caught and the crew started wailing. They brought me to trial, but I can't die. Right, and look at me now, I'm queen of the pirates. Yo.